I'll start by saying who I am. So my name is Leah from AudaCity Capital, and at the moment we're just conducting interviews with our traders to find out about their journey into trading and how they got to the place they are now. So my first question for you is to just introduce yourself and explain how you got interested in trading and how you got to the point that you are today.
Well, my name is Amaru. I live in the States, United States, and I got into trading about 3 years ago. So around January 2017, one of my friends told me about it. It was actually like a group of 4 of us who were into it. Now it's about like 2 of us who are still taking it serious. So we were on and off for the last 3 years, and then over the last year, that's when me and the other friend who's taking it more serious, that's when we started being more consistent about it. And we both got into a mentorship that has definitely taken us to another level, a level that we've been waiting for.
That is great to hear. So did you learn how to trade successfully through that mentorship, or did you learn a lot by yourself, or did you have some education outside of the mentorship or anything like that?
It was a lot on our own in the beginning, going through YouTube University, as they call it. So a lot on our own. And then once we got to this mentorship, they taught us a lot about price action and, reading the markets, looking for patterns. So like that. So less about indicators that we were using before and more on, just reading the charts.
Yeah. So what have you found to be like your best trading strategy at the moment? Because these videos that we're doing are for people who may just be getting interested in the industry. So that's why I'm asking you. So what have you found to be the best strategy that works for you?
The best strategy that works for me is definitely price action. Definitely just, without indicators. I never liked indicators in the beginning, but I thought they worked better for me. Some people it works amazing for. It just wasn't for me. I don't like a congested chart or being able to read it like this or that way or other things. So price action for me, it's a naked chart, and I feel like it makes things simpler for me personally.
Yeah, great. That sounds amazing. So you're doing the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, and how are you finding that so far? Is everything okay regarding that?
Yeah, everything is great. I really like the spread on the platform. I really like how tight the spread is and how accurate it is based on where I mark up my charts. So I use TradingView to mark up my charts. It's pretty accurate with TradingView. So it's not like I'm looking at 2 different charts or anything. And it's really interesting using the, at the account size that I'm at right now, I can't go over a lot size as a whole over 0.5. So it really teaches you a way of controlled risk. I was using 1% before, and I still am using 1% on my other accounts. But with this one, it may not always be that if I try to calculate it properly. But, it's still a way of controlled risk, and it keeps you in the game longer.
So my last question for you is, what is the best advice you can give to someone who may be just starting their trading journey?
My best advice, I would definitely say find a mentor. You can always do this on your own, but it's going to take longer to do that. And in the beginning, for me, I may have felt like I had all the information, but it was scattered information. It wasn't all the pieces to the puzzle, or I didn't know how to connect the dots. Find a mentor and backtest your strategy a lot.